And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the modulus operator, the remainder. This is the percentage sign on your keyboard, and you can use it to find the rest of a division. In simple terms, it divides the number given by another given number and then rounds the result down and then looks at the rest and is returned. It becomes more obvious when I use actual numbers here. Let me define a let of x equals 5, print it out. And x remainder 2 would now be 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. But the remainder divides it and then rounds it down, so 2.5 would become 2, and the 2 fits therefore 2 times into 5, which is 4, and this leaves us a rest of 1. So therefore 5 remainder 2, x remainder 2 would result in a return of 1. Let me refresh my browser and here you can see it. Same goes for 7 remainder 2, because 7 divided by 2 would be 3.5, but 7 remainder 2 would be 3 rounded down. 3 times 2 is 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. Let me use 7 remainder 4. This would be 7 divided by 4, which is 1 point, and then rounded down. 1 times 4 is 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. Therefore our remainder would leave us with a 3. Here you can see it. Let us make it 11 remainder 4. This is also 3, but 11 remainder 3. 3 fits 3 times into 11, therefore 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. It's an important operator to know. Might be confusing at first, but once you get it, it's fairly easy to use. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.